In this lesson, we're going to take a look at word problems using metric units. So for our first example, we are going to look at a situation where we have 1.25 grams of medication ordered. And the tablets that are available are tablets that are 0.25 grams. And then the question is asked, how many tablets should we give? So we're going to go ahead and solve this the same way we solved the other problems in terms of doing dimensional analysis or unit conversion. So I want to convert grams of medication to tablets. So what we're ordering is 1.25 grams of medication. I want grams to convert into tablets. And what they're telling me is one tablet contains 0.25 grams. So if that's the case, you'll notice grams cancel. The final result is tablets. 1.25 divided by 0.25 is just going to give us 5 tablets. So for our next example, let's say we're going to order 2 grams of some medication. And what's available? Let's say that we have capsules labeled 250 milligrams. So we've got to convert the 2 grams into capsules. But to do that, I'm going to first have to convert grams to milligrams. So we're going to take 2 grams over 1. We want to get rid of grams and convert them to milligrams. So grams goes downstairs, milligrams goes on top. And there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. After that, we want to convert milligrams to capsules. So we'll put milligrams on the bottom to cancel. And we'll put capsules on the top. And we're saying 1 capsule is 250 milligrams. So you'll notice grams cancels grams, milligrams cancels milligrams. Capsules are left. Show the cancellation here. So we have 2 times 1,000 divided by 250 is 8. So the result for this will be 8 capsules. For our next example, ordered 600 milligrams. Available tablets that contain 200 milligram tablets. So this one's fairly straightforward. We'll take 600 milligrams, and our goal is to convert milligrams into tablets. Milligrams cancels. We'll put tablets on top. And 1 tablet is 200 milligrams. We see milligrams cancel, tablets left. 600 divided by 200. The result is 3 tablets. This time ordered 200 milligrams. Available 80 milligram tablets. So we want to convert the milligrams into tablets, so we're going to start with 200 milligrams. And we want to turn milligrams into tablets. So we see 1 tablet is 80 milligrams. And milligrams cancels, so we take 200 divided by 80, which gives us 2.5 tablets. Now again, certain medication you will be able to split in half, others you will not. According to the textbook, if the medication is scored, you can cut it in half, but with modern tools, it's relatively easy to cut certain meds in half. But you'd want to have permission from a pharmacist before doing that. A patient receives 2,000 milligrams of medication daily. How much is given for each dose? If the medication is given QID. So we have 2,000 milligrams per day. And then QID stands for 4 doses per day, but you'll notice I need days to cancel. So we'll put days on top to cancel the days that's on the bottom for the first fraction, and I want doses on the bottom, and then we know QID stands for 4 doses in 1 day. So 1 day corresponds to 4 doses. And then if we're going to go ahead and do our conversions here, you'll notice the days cancel and we get milligrams per dose. That the final units will be milligrams per dose, which is what we're looking for here. So 2,000 divided by 4 is, of course, 500 milligrams per dose. If 2 milliliters of blood contains 2.3 grams of hemoglobin, how much hemoglobin would you expect to find? In 10 milliliters of blood. So we're starting with 10 mils of blood and we want to convert that to hemoglobin. So indeed, we're going to start with 10 mils of blood. And I need mils of blood to cancel, so I have mils of blood on top. So here I'll put mils of blood on the bottom. And on the top I would put grams of hemoglobin. Now it says 2 mils of blood contains 2.3 grams of hemoglobin. So you'll notice that the mils of blood cancels. The result is going to be grams of hemoglobin. 10 times 2.3 divided by 2. And that gives us 11.5 grams of hemoglobin. If you give 4 tablets, each containing 0.05 milligrams, how many micrograms have you given? Well, we have to turn tablets into milligrams, into grams, into micrograms. So we're going to start with 4 tablets. Converting tablets into milligrams, we want tablets to cancel. Tablets on the bottom, milligrams on the top. 1 tablet is 0.05 milligrams. We want to convert milligrams into micrograms, but I argue first convert to grams. Milligrams to grams. 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram. And then finish by converting grams to micrograms. 1 million micrograms is 1 gram. Now, as everything cancels, you'll notice tablets cancels tablets, milligrams cancels milligrams, grams cancels grams. The final result will be micrograms. And how much is that? 200 micrograms.